Hello and welcome to Learn English, Love English.
Today we're diving into a fascinating scene from William Shakespeare's The Merchant of Venice. Act 2, Scene 7, is full of excitement and tension as we follow the events leading up to an important moment in the story. Whether you're here to improve your English skills or simply to enjoy a classic piece of literature, you're in the right place. Let's explore how love, disguise, and difficult choices play out in this unforgettable scene. In this scene from The Merchant of Venice, Act 2, Scene 7, the Prince of Morocco is choosing between 3 caskets to win Portia's hand in marriage. He believes that the gold casket must contain Portia's portrait because gold is the most valuable metal. He thinks it would be wrong for something as precious as Portia to be contained in a silver or lead casket. He compares Portia to a valuable gem that should only be set in gold. The scroll explains that all that glitters is not gold, meaning that appearances can be deceiving, and not everything that looks valuable is truly valuable. The prince realizes he has made the wrong choice and leaves heartbroken. Portia is relieved that the prince chose wrongly and hopes that others who are as superficial as him will also choose incorrectly. Morocco reads the inscriptions on each casket. The gold one promises what many men desire. The silver one promises as much as he deserves, and the lead one requires the chooser to give and hazard all he hath. Morocco dismisses the lead casket because he doesn't want to risk everything for something that looks worthless. He also hesitates with the silver casket, questioning whether he truly deserves Portia. Ultimately, he chooses the gold casket, reasoning that Portia, who is desired by many, must be in the most valuable casket. This part of the scene highlights Morocco's pride and his belief that appearances are an accurate reflection of value. He is confident in his choice, believing that Portia, as a mortal breathing saint desired by all, must be represented by the gold casket. However, he fails to understand that true value is not always found in what looks most impressive on the outside. That wraps up our exploration of Act 2, Scene 7 from The Merchant of Venice. We hope you enjoyed this dive into Shakespeare's world and learned something new along the way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Learn English, Love English for more literary insights and language lessons. Keep practicing, and remember, the more you engage with English, the more confident you'll become. See you in the next video.